Behind your back. Somebody.
Okay, we're in the DOT zone. Stand by. Mile marker 8. I'm at Kilo Road and Kenwood Drive. Okay, they're gonna hit somebody head on something.
Police used a pit maneuver to stop the Mazda, causing it to crash into two other vehicles. The driver and passenger fled but were caught shortly after. Inside the car, police found a large bag suspected to contain marijuana.
Keep your hands up. Keep them up. Keep them up.
Step out.
Step out of the car. Step out of the car.
Step out of the car now.
Step out of the car. Step out of the car.
Step out the window if you don't get out of the car.
What did I do?
You're under arrest. Get out of the car.
Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up or you will get shot. Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up to where I can see them. Hands on the wheel. Hands on the wheel. Get out. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Watch out, Barry. Watch out, Barry.
A dramatic chase unfolded as the police intercepted a fugitive wanted for aggravated assault. The suspect rammed 2 patrol cars and repeatedly swerved into oncoming traffic while fleeing.
Right, he was reaching towards that center crosswalk.
Air 2, Air 1, we have a vehicle. You guys want to break off?
Copy, we're breaking off.
Alright, the silver one, get ready. Hang on, we got 6, ready 1. Get ready. Get ready, buddy. This is you. Watch out, watch out. Alright, get the stick.
Okay, I don't want any units going the wrong way. I don't want 100 units behind us. Just keep K9 and 2 units. Everybody else hang back. Alright, just passing Robin Hood.
Alright, passing the culverts. We're coming up to 92 now. Moderate traffic, heavy traffic. Cutting over to the eastbound lanes, turn lanes, going into opposing traffic, and continuing southbound Woodland through 92. Going southbound to northbound lanes.
Alright guys, let's back off, give it some space, let Air 1 call it. I don't want to keep pushing him any harder.
Still southbound, northbound lanes coming up to Plymouth now. Over the top of the roundabout, still southbound, going into oncoming traffic. We're about a quarter mile out from Kepler now, still eastbound. He's going through the construction. Lost control, signal 4 right by the 7-Eleven, signal 4. Stand by. He's out, he's walking away from units. He's running towards the 7-Eleven, running eastbound down 44.
Parking! Parking, Red! Parking! Parking, Red! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Do it now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Put your hands on your back!
After the crash, the suspect fled but was caught by K9 units. Police found a gun and drugs in the vehicle. The 2 hit drivers are fine, but have neck pain. The suspect was arrested for armed flight, assaulting an officer, and drug violations. On January 20th, on Interstate 270, Hilliard police spotted a vehicle displaying unusual behavior and immediately initiated a pursuit.
We're all over the road and into the grass. 657, just struck a sign, coming up the tunnel. All 4 lanes.
Copy, approaching tunnel for target. Where you guys are now?
657, we are coming up the tunnel still. Now we're going 12 miles an hour. Northbound. And they're taking the ramp to Tuttle. Into the grass. Stand by.
Control 1 is 91.
They're stopped on the ramp for now. I'm not going to approach like another unit. We might start again. We're rolling again. And we're going to the grass, through the median, back on to 270. Cross the lanes of travel here into the fast lane.
Back on the 270 northbound on the fast lane.
657, sorry, some help from somewhere. This guy's been killed, but he's all over all 5 lanes.
Dashcam 3190.
When the vehicle began to lose control and swerve on the road, police performed a controlled pit maneuver to stop it. The driver, Andrea Litchfield, 67, was found to be experiencing a medical emergency due to low blood sugar and will not face criminal charges for the incident.
657, I just code 2'd it. We're stopped. We're going to need to shut the freeway down.
I copy. Are you supposed to send anywhere south?
On April 26th in Arkansas, as soon as the urgent report about a stolen Jeep Cherokee on Highway 63 came in, law enforcement from Craighead to Greene counties sprang into action, determined to halt the fugitive's wild journey. Amid the high-speed escape, the driver daringly swerved into a dense forest, hoping to disappear from the officer's sight. But the police didn't back down, staying close behind through every dangerous turn. Finally, after a chase spanning miles, the driver was subdued and taken into custody. His attempts to escape had failed, and awaiting him was a long list of charges, a steep price for a reckless journey with no way out.
I don't have a vehicle description, so let's see.
Police pursued a stolen car as the masked suspect sped through heavy traffic. Suddenly, he abandoned the vehicle and ran into a gas station, attempting to hide, creating chaos in the process.
Yeah, stolen car, guys. We're picking it up in Santa Clarita. Oh, he's running. There we go, running. Running, but deputies are close behind. This is the driver here running on Via Princesa. Oh, nearly got run over by the motor officer, but is continuing to run across lanes here towards the gas station. Hope he doesn't try to carjack anyone, but is continuing to run instead. Running behind the gas station, it's a Circle K. He's wearing a ski mask. But again, this was a possible stolen car.
While passing a restaurant area, the suspect spotted an unlocked car and attempted to steal it to escape. However, police arrived just in time, arresting him on the spot, rendering all efforts futile.
Is he in front? Okay, there he is in front of the subway. Oh, he's trying to get in that car. Wow. What are the chances that door was unlocked, but deputies were so close by that he did not have an opportunity to steal that vehicle?